Hello YouTube, it's me, Wolf Wolf Adventures here. Why did the sound turned off? Sound has been turned off, people. Maybe that sounds like a... We're playing Earn to Die. The Heli Chopper. I'll get this out of there.
Again? Whatever it takes, I'll find it.
Garage. So you can get low, you can get that, you get freaking school bus. Little stuff. You get freaking school bus. Let's go. Good thing now I know how to play. Eat the brains, zombie. Eat my brains, zombie. OMG. OMG. Let's do it again. Glitching for some reason. Sorry. Hey guys, it's glitching out on me. I was a rock and they're like stagger walk. I mean, they'll be like, See? Maybe it's not recording. Good going up. About that. I have a lot of fuel, so I can kill up with zombies. Blaze, yeah, blaze, suckers. No rain. Does it know that I have the blades installed? Too slow, out of fuel. Oh no. I'm gonna buy that for 500 net. Oops. Okay, I just like moved the screen a bit. I didn't know I should move the screen. Stop hitting me. Start getting sliced. Oh, you're kidding me, I'm at the pool. Oh no. I'm gonna get $500. Oh, and just so all you people know, this will be uploaded the day it was filmed. Because right now the time is 8:25 a.m. Yeah, baby! 8:25. Whoa! What's in there, huh? More stuff. Fuel. Not stuff. Fuel. We have a package that should be arriving on Monday. Very special package. And I mentioned that in some of my other videos. Dude, a zombie just like face planted so bad. I just run into the boxes. It's like run into box. Boom. I just run into this box. Oh, now I can see. I got monster truck wheels on my Mustang. Holy shoot. I'm like epic. I'm not even close out of fuel yet. I might have a fuel. Yeah, there we go, son. Hit the block. Woo! I hit the block. So awesome. I think I have a goal in this series. Earn to Die series. I will max out every vehicle on everything. That's what I'll do. I'll max out every vehicle on everything. Yeah, I think I'll max out every vehicle. This is done. How are you? If you don't know like what this engine is, I feel sorry for you. I'm like still bow for that jet. Holy shoot! Things like bow. I'm like, my Jumpinators. Farting can. Farting can. Farting can. Beep 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 beep. Fart fart. Wow. I gotta do that 5 more times and not have any shot. And this is 5.5 liter V8 turbo in the house. Boom. Awesome. This thing's like wow. And it's like everywhere. Oh, you suck. It's more fuel efficient than anybody. I'm out of boost. I should really do that thing on a hill, you know? I should like do the boost on a hill because it'll make me fly up. I should really do it on a hill. Auto boost and fuel. So awesome I am. I'm getting you, Hummer. I'm getting you. Sorry if I don't talk for a bit. I'm in deep concentration mode. I'm in deep zombie concentration mode. Oh no, hit it! Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah, you hit it! Suckers! And I should probably let off the throttle while I'm in the air. I'm just wasting my boost in slow motion. Yes, brain. I know that they're very tasty from past. Okay. Oh, one more and I should have it. Be the last and I get the Hummer and I'll be like, oh yeah, zombies. You suck. I hit damn zombies and then damn zombies will be like, oh shoot. Explosions. I just like touched the zombie and he just fell down. Now I have a Hummer. zombie kit. Like cover. Oh, dude. This is awesome. Dude, I want a double jet turbo engine. Holy shit. Mr. Hummer, let's go. Follow the mouse. Nope, mouse is on the ground now. You're not doing it right. Dude, am I gonna do a stock? I'm gonna win this. With just a stock Hummer. I'm just gonna win it with a stock Hummer. Yeah, you said it, boy. Brain. Dude, I'm like halfway down on fuel. Oh, explosion time, sucker. That's awesome. That's awesome. Come on. I know you have a very lousy V8 engine. Oh, zombie just fell on the top. Zombie fell on the top of my car. Zombie fell on the top of my car. Wow, that's like awesome. I'm gonna do one run with this and I think I may actually stop. Hummus don't need no MPG, we got zombies. We want a zombie blood. You know, one time, guys, I saw this Hummer with a license plate that said Go Green. Love. Yeah. You don't need no stinking gasoline. I run on zombie blood. Get off my hood. My hood. Hummus don't need no stinking MPG in the zombie apocalypse. You don't need no freaking MPG in the apocalypse. Okay guys, this is a really good run. I had a really great time. I will definitely do another one of these. And peace out. Bye YouTube.